What is up, folks? This is Andrew with MyWatchAddiction.com, and today, yes, we have another Kickstarter watch unboxing. Today, I finally have in the Earth Dweller from Neminus Watches. Now, this is a part of their Spaceman collection from a recent Kickstarter campaign. I've been seeing some guys that have gotten them in and seeing their wrist shots of this watch, and for whatever reason, where I live in New York, takes forever for mail to get here. So I'm always the last one that gets a watch. And it's really annoying seeing everybody else post up their pictures of their Kickstarter watches as they come in. And I just got mine today. So got to get it open, got to get it on the wrist, got to see what it's all about. Now, if you guys haven't seen my videos before and want to follow us in the future, the subscribe button is down there right in the right-hand corner of the screen. Go ahead and smash that guy. Don't forget to hit that bell if you want to be notified every time we drop a new video. Anyway, the watch of the day is that stage watch that I reviewed a few videos back from another previous Kickstarter campaign. But anyway, guys, that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about this Earth Dweller from Neminus Watches. Now, this is the shipping box that this Earth Dweller came in. You can see this watch actually came all the way over here from China, which is where this watch was produced. Yes, guys, I recognize I'm opening this thing upside down, but there's a method to my madness on that one. So tear this guy open. Pretty decent packing material in it. There's nothing else in the shipping box, so we'll get rid of that. Neat looking wood box. This almost reminds me of the boxes that the out of order watches come in, but this one seems a lot more intricate. This is all, actually it looks like it's all routed out with the Neminus logo right there in the box. Of course, sealed as well. Let's see if we can get this guy open. I don't want to rip this off. It's all pretty. So we open it up. Let's see what we have. First, we have a thank you card to the backers. And then we have the certificate of authenticity. This watch is actually 75 of 99 made. 75 of 99 made for this specific Earth Dweller. This is the international warranty card with a delivery date of October 2018. And the instruction manual. And then let's see what else we have in here. We have all sorts of stuff in here. So I have no idea what that is. So we'll figure that one out. We have silicone strap that it comes with stainless steel buckle. And then we have stainless steel bracelet. But I want to see this watch. Let me get all this other stuff out of the way. It's a nice watch roll that this guy comes in. Wow. There it is, the Earth Dweller. Guys, I'm gonna get the plastic off of this, get a little bit zoomed in, get a little bit resituated, and then we're gonna take a look around this watch because this thing is looking pretty sharp. So now that I got the plastic off of this guy and zoomed in a little bit, you can see the full beauty of this watch. Now, this guy actually, as I'm holding onto it, turned out a lot better than I expected it was going to. I thought it was a cool looking watch, but I did not fathom how heavy and how solid this watch was going to feel. And there's no way to feel that until you got it in your hands, but I'm really digging this watch. Now, the first thing I noticed when I was looking at this watch is that unidirectional bezel right there. Incidentally, This does have that sawtooth design to the bezel, which personally I love. If you guys saw any of my review of the custom Seiko that I had built by Rizzo, I used a sawtooth bezel in that custom Seiko as well. So I'm a huge fan of the sawtooth bezels on watches. The dial and all of those, dial's a black, almost a textured black, and it's going to be hard to see in this video, but I'll see if I can get some actual better pictures of it in the end. But the dial absolutely has some texture to it, and then you've got those applied stainless steel indices, along with an applied stainless steel Neminus logo right up there at that 12 o'clock position. And of course, the Earth Dweller model has a Earth right there at that 9 o'clock position with what you can't see right now because the minute hand is covering it, but there's also a date indicator at that 3 o'clock position. Now the movement in this watch is a Swiss Sellita SW200 elaborate grade. So that is going to offer hacking and hand wind ability. If you're wondering about the size of this watch, this guy is 44 millimeters in diameter, 52 millimeters lug to lug with a case thickness of 16 millimeters. So this is a big watch. The other thing I'm going to point out also is this Earth Dweller is coming in at 135 grams, so it's a heavy watch in addition to just being a large watch. This case almost feels like it's machined. Very solid. You can see what I'm believing is the helium release valve right there on the side, along with that Earth Dweller nameplate that's screwed into the side of this case. If we flip over to the other side, you see the Neminus logo on that crown. Now, this guy did come on a black leather NATO strap, came with the other straps that we showed you, but I'm gonna pull off this strap, and I did figure out what came in this jar, incidentally. So this is an extra strap bar. So these bars are actually screwed in, so if you lose one, break one, whatever. But guys, look at the back of this. That is nuts. I think that is just such a cool looking case back design, and it's all machined out. I mean, I don't know if you can guys get the angle, but that's all machined out. Such a cool concept, such a cool design to a watch. I'm really digging this. Now the crystal on this Space Dweller is a sapphire crystal with 3 layers of AR coating. This also should have some pretty decent low light visibility because on those indices as well as minute, hour, and second hands, those are rocking BGW9 Super Lume. If we jump over to Kickstarter real quick and see, this is the actual campaign for this Spaceman collection, the Earth Dweller from Neminus Watches. And see, out of this whole campaign, there were 665 backers, me being one of them. You can see I was an early bird on this Earth Dweller. This Earth Dweller cost me $579 in US. I'll scroll down here a little bit. They had all sorts of different color combinations. Bunch of different people reviewed it. Some really great shots. I hope that you see this shot right here. I hope I can get a shot like that because some of those shots, I don't know how these people come up with such awesome photo concepts for some of these watches. I am not creative whatsoever. So how you would think to take a macro shot like that, I have no idea. Hopefully somebody can tell me how to take pictures like that because I think those are cool as hell. But you can go through and look at the different Spaceman collection, what it comes with. Now this did come with the stainless steel as well as the DLC treatment on some of their models to give them that black appearance to the case. See some of the technical specs that I went over right here. That Swiss Sellita SW200-1 elaborate grade movement. But there's the Earth Dweller that I purchased. Let's see if they have pictures of their other models here. This is the Moon Explorer, which has a moon on it. Obviously has that black DLC case to it. DLC coated case, I should say, sorry. And then they also had a Mars Traveler, which has a picture of Mars right there on it. That's also with that DLC coating. And see all three of them right there next to each other. Now, I went with the Earth Dweller because I liked the stainless steel on this one a little bit better. I was debating. I was going back and forth between the Earth Dweller and the Moon Explorer, I think it was. Going back and forth with them, I ended up just pulling the trigger on the Earth Dweller though. But $579 for this Earth Dweller from Neminus Watches. All right, guys, so that was the Earth Dweller, part of the Spaceman collection from Neminus Watches that just got in on their recent successful Kickstarter campaign. Overall, I would say this is absolutely a Kickstarter win for me. I am totally loving this watch. And this is going to be one of those watches that, because there are so few out there, that my gut tells me that these are only going to do well. These are going to be one of those watches that people are definitely looking for because they are such a cool design. They are so well built. I'm likely going to hold on to this one for a while. I'm actually really excited about this Kickstarter campaign. No concerns, no problems with it whatsoever. I think the watches came out great. Really happy with this campaign and how it turned out. But if you guys want to see this watch on my wrist, don't forget you can follow us at Instagram/WatchAddiction.us, which incidentally recently just passed 10,000 followers on our Instagram page. So super stoked about that. Stay tuned in the future. We're likely going to be doing another watch giveaway to celebrate that, as well as some of the successes on the subscriber counts on the channel here. So definitely stay tuned. As I mentioned, if you want to get notified of videos, hit that bell, hit that subscribe button. Guys, post up in the comments section below. Let me know what you think of this Earth Dweller from Neminus Watches. If it's something that you guys have seen before, if it's something that you guys would like in your collection. Is this your style? I know this one is a little bit out there, but it really fits what I like. So I'm really pleased to have this guy in my collection. And then with all the extra straps and goodies that come with it, I know that price tag was up there at $579, give or take, but I'm really happy with this campaign. Anyway, guys, I am going to get out of here. I hope you guys have a great week, and we will see you soon.